Unraveling, it won't take long. A guide to understanding time expressions in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a commonly used phrase, it won't take long. Understanding this phrase is crucial for everyday conversations, and we're here to break it down for you. Let's get started. When someone says, it won't take long, they're referring to a task, activity, or event that will not require much time to complete. It's a reassurance that whatever is being discussed will be finished quickly and efficiently, without a significant wait. This phrase is incredibly versatile and can be used in various contexts, from casual conversations to professional settings. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to understand each part of the phrase. It refers to the task, activity, or event being discussed. Won't is a contraction of will not, indicating a future action that is not going to happen. Take long suggests the duration of time needed to complete the action. Saying it won't take long implies a short duration. Combining these elements gives us the full meaning. The action in question will be completed in a short amount of time. To help you understand how to use it won't take long in everyday conversations, let's look at a few examples. 1. Preparing food. Can you wait for breakfast? It won't take long to cook. 2. Running an errand. I need to drop off this package at the post office. It won't take long. 3. During work or projects. Let's review the report together. It won't take long. These examples show the phrase's flexibility and how it can be applied in different scenarios to convey that something will be done quickly. There are several ways to express the same idea using different words. Some common variations include, this will be quick. It'll only take a minute. We'll be done in no time. Understanding these variations can help you recognize when someone is expressing the same concept in a different way. And that's a wrap on it won't take long. We hope this video has clarified what this useful phrase means and how you can use it in your daily English conversations. Remember, learning these common expressions can significantly enhance your fluency and comprehension. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.